What is going on, everybody? Today we are actually selling the Dakota to Spencer, good old trusty cameraman. This will be the second time I've sold him this truck. Kind of nice to keep it in the friend group. It's been pretty good to me. I just wanted something a little newer, so today we're going to show you what I'm picking up and saying goodbye to old girl, but not really saying goodbye because obviously he still has it. Today it's like 10 degrees below zero, and he just washed it yesterday, and now the driver's door won't latch, so we're gonna be fixing that today. But yeah, got all this stuff as much, just froze shut, as much as can be cleaned out of it, thrown into the new whip. So we'll show you once we get to the dealership and get this thing fixed what we got going on. All right, here she is, all crusted with ice and snow. Came to me from Chicago. It was the closest they could find a truck that fit the specs that I wanted. LED package, all blacked out, black wheels, 275/55 Bridgestone dualers, which those are going to be going bye-bye pretty quick. Can't tell right now, but I don't have the keys quite yet. But all black cloth interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, black dual exhaust with the black LED taillights, black badging. Need to get a bed liner for it, but yeah, I'm excited. The new baby. All right, sorry I didn't do a better walk around of the outside. Like I said, it's freezing out. I may have exaggerated a bit when I said -10. It is 5 degrees, but we got some, I don't know, 10-mile-an-hour wind, so the wind chill makes it quite a bit colder. Here we are on the inside. I do like how they redid things for 2019. I will do a full kind of walk around and review of this truck when it's not so crappy and cold and salty out. But got all my crap transferred from the Dakota. As you can see, the back seat's full of crap, but very large rear seating in the new crew cabs. I like that you can flip the headrest down for better visibility. Very happy with the interior, and I gotta say the heated seats work pretty good, and I'm liking the heated steering wheel. So yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this video. I'm not gonna drag it out any longer than I have to. Just wanted to update you guys that the Dakota is moving on. I'm sure there will be more videos of it in the future because, well, let's be honest, stuff's gonna break, and like I said, it's my buddies now, and I believe I actually still have some unedited videos to make on that yet. So there will be a few more videos of the Dakota coming soon, and I will, like I said, be doing a full walk around of this, probably be in a week, just because we're supposed to have really cold weather with a lot of snow. It's gonna be all salted up, and I want it looking nice and pretty for you guys when I show it to you. So we will catch you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. I will be doing, not doing anything major with this truck, but I do have about $1,500 worth of add-ons that I ordered that I'm currently waiting for the parts department to call me and let me know when they're in. I will be doing installation videos for everything that I'm putting on it, and should provide a little bit more content. So hope to catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.